me at memedicine@gmail.com. Phonics, blend. Words are made of sounds. As an example of this concept, check out these two examples.
Pig. Sam.
Alright, so as you can see, when we write, we use letters to show sounds in a word. For example, the letters P-I-G in pig demonstrate the sound pig when blended together, and the letters S-A-M make the word Sam. Likewise, when you read, you sound out letters in a word. Then you blend the sounds together to say the word, as we just saw with our pig and Sam example. What word do the sounds make? P-et, p-et, p-et. A, pet, or B, pan? I'll give you a moment to think. The word pet is made up of three letters. P, representing the P sound, E representing the sound, and T representing the T sound. When you blend their sounds together, you get the word pet. The correct answer choice is answer choice A, pet.